Good morning. So, hi. I'm going to make breakfast right now. This is one of my favorite breakfasts, and then I have bread from the homemade bread we made the other day. And this is actually toast. I don't like my toast dark. Some people do, I don't. So, what I'm going to do is, any guesses what I might be making? An avocado, I have toast, and then I have this everything bagel seasoning, which is delicious. So I'm going to make avocado toast. So it's very simple. Toast your bread. And I want to take my avocado and I want to cut it in half. There's a couple ways to do this. And I'm not going to be able to get that sticker off. You don't want to do this. That's probably how most people do it. I do it that way a lot, but I'm not supposed to. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it. So I have a cutting board here, and got it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my avocado and just cut through. Now there is a pit. If you've never seen an avocado, there's a big pit in there. I'm going to turn it around. My knife will not go all the way through. Like, this is as far as it's going. You're going to see why. Get that out of the way. Twist it. There. That is a good avocado. Sometimes you cut into this and it's brown. It's going to be a good day. This is how I know it's going to be a good day. So I don't need both halves. So I'm going to take this half and I'm going to put it on the side, and then I'm going to wrap it really tightly because avocados get brown very easily. Doesn't necessarily make it taste bad, but it's not as pretty. So I'm going to do that, put it on the side. I will wrap it, and then I'm going to cut this half in half again. This is what we would call a quarter. We've talked about this in class. 4 quarters make a whole, 4 quarters and $1. So 1, 2 make a half. Then if I were to cut this in half, I would have 3, 4 quarters. Okay, little math with your breakfast. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to squeeze it. Whoops, and drop it. I can squeeze it, or actually I can peel it too. You don't want the skin. And then I'm going to take the back of my fork and I'm just going to smash it into my bread. Spread it out with my fork so there's avocado all over it. I'm going to do the same for my other half. This skin didn't come off as pretty, but that's okay. Comes off pretty easily. Same thing, smash it with the back of my fork. I've washed my hands. My sink is on the other side, so you can see that. Smash it, smash it, smash it, and spread it around. Now, my hands are avocado-y. Now I'm going to take my seasoning and I'm going to make sure that I have it on the side for sprinkling, because if I had it on the wrong side, it's going to pour out. So make sure you have it open on the right side. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some of this, which isn't coming out there. There we go. All over the top. This is my favorite thing to put on avocado toast. I've seen people put all kinds of things on it. This is my favorite. I got this at Costco. Trader Joe's has one. I think most grocery stores in their spice aisle have something like it too. Everything bagel seasoning. So there is my avocado toast. Talk to you soon.